Let's see about the RLS button again. So this time I will make it more clear. So the requirement is the same. A button should be restricted for certain user and should be available for certain users. Okay. So for that I will take the Excel workbook with this two tables. One is the actual data and another one is with the table that is having email and a flag. So I don't need this has got access, so this I will delete. So email and a flag, I mean one means they are having access, zero means they should not have access. And in the project table also I should have one email ID corresponding to the person who want to see it or not. Okay, so this should be linked to that, right? So this is my data set and I am going to connect it now. So I'm connecting both the things. Okay, okay, now it is done. Now I am going to create two roles first. Okay, so I'll go to manage role, I'll click, it is not loading table, refresh. Okay, this is access and I'll click new one. This is no access. Okay, so for access, you select this table, click new, should be flag equals to 1 and email is equal to switch DAX editor. Here you will see user principal name. So I'll copy this. Now for no access, same thing. I'll make this as 0. So no access means flag equal to 0 and login user same. Okay, now we have two roles available. Okay, now I will create some DAX. I will create three DAX formulas, okay, on this access table. So first will be measure for button text. Okay, button text is equal to, so button text is a text that is going to display on the button. So for this I'll say max access flag equal to 0 means, so there is no text, so I'm just giving double quotes here, so it will not give any text. Okay, so same, this is the first one. Next one is the background color. So I'll new measure. So I will say bg is equal to, so bg is equal to, then I paste this. I follow the same consistency, 0, and it should, this is transparent. Okay, this is white color. So this is for background color. So I'll just copy this. So this is second measure. Now third one is, this is border. So for the same, for 0 means it is the same, and here instead of this I'm going to add a gray color. So this is white, I remove this and paste as gray. So this is gray. Okay, now it is clear. So making it simple, just we created two roles and three DAX formulas. Now I am adding a button. So I'm just making the button bigger to just to visualize it. Okay. So on the style properties, I'll enable text, go to the formula, select field value, and select our measure, and click OK. Sorry, I chosen the wrong one. Button text. Okay, so it is giving main. Right now, I'm going to set the fill property, the background, field value, BG. Okay, and similarly for border also, field value, border. Okay, now it is visible, everything is okay. Now let's go to modeling, click view as. Now for no access, how it is visible? Nothing is visible for no access. Click view as, and for access peoples, it is not visible because we want to give the name of the person also. So in the access, shall give the person name. Now it is visible, and when you click view as, and if you give different name like this, so this person should be tagged to no access actually. Okay, now it is not visible, right? If someone is viewing this, and it will be like this only. Okay, so hope this is clear, and this will help you to do this. And by default, if no one is tagged to any of this, then it will be like this. It will be visible. Okay, so best thing is you need to publish and assign the roles accordingly. Okay, thank you.